Hey, it's Lindsay with Stackable Sensations, where we create unique brand recognition. Here at Stackable, we love food gifts. They're one of our favorite ways to show appreciation to clients and employees. As we get closer to the holiday season, we want to show you some of our favorite food gifts. Let's get started.
Hey, it's Ann from Stackable Sensations, back in the kitchen. Ice cream, we all scream for ice cream. This is a sweet treat all year round. I mean, come on. We've got so many kits. These are two of our favorites. This one is such an awesome full blend here. Comes with scoopers, spoons, cups, and look at all these yummy toppings. Yum, yum, yum. Or if you want to mix it with some chocolate goodness and also the ice cream cones, you can go with this one. So scream for ice cream. So here's a great idea to show your employees that you need s'mores just like them. This is a kit filled with s'mores, again, all year round. Who doesn't love this chocolatey, mushy goodness? This one is really awesome. It comes with the graham crackers, great chocolate, also marshmallows, and then it comes with a little fire, little Bunsen burner thing in there. So you've got everything to get some more of those employees you need.
Hot chocolate bombs. This is great whether it's the holiday season or any time during the year to have some hot chocolate. And this is nice because you can remind them, you're the bomb. Thank you for being you. Are a batch made in heaven. Think about this. Sugar cookies. Look how much fun this is going to be with you and your family. You have your cookie mix, and then you have the toppings. So you could do Nutella, you could put some chocolate chips on them, little M&Ms, some sprinkles, some Jimmies they're called. They're not really called Jimmies. They might be, a long time ago. And then some toppings. So much fun that you could have, and what's better than spending time with family?
Now, if you're looking for something a little more expensive, we have these speakeasy kits. This kit has everything you need to enjoy a cocktail and more. It comes with these awesome salted caramel candies, a flask, a coaster set, cookies, yum, a cocktail mixer guide that comes with ice cubes, more cocktail mixer ice cubes, and finally, delicious beverage mixers. Who wouldn't want to enjoy a cocktail and some sweet treats?
Giving gifts that help during family mealtime are some of our favorites to give because they show appreciation in multiple ways. You help take meal planning off of somebody's plate, but you also get the entire family involved, letting them know that you don't just care about them, you also care about the people they care about. These pizza kits are amazing and they provide for a really fun family night. Everybody likes tacos, right? I mean, this taco kit has continued to be a favorite for us because everybody loves tacos, but both of these kits, they also include items that people get to keep. Kitchen items are incredibly popular in the promo industry because a lot of people keep them. These are items that are not going to get discarded. And then every single time that they use that pizza cutter or that bag, they're gonna think about you and that fun experience that you provided for their friends and family. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to follow us on social media. Contact our sales team today to help create custom food items for your clients and employees for this holiday season. We'll see you next time.